everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can tie the reverse endless falls knot in multiple colors. Let's get started. Start by folding your first cord evenly in half and attaching it to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Before we pull this rope all the way tight, we're going to insert our second cord right here underneath the dowel rod through the lark's head knot. Now take your two outer cords and send them behind the two in the middle and cross the left cord over the right to form a loop. Then take that middle right cord, twist it behind, around to go through the right loop. Take the middle left cord behind, twist it around and pull it through the left loop. Pull those outer cords tight and also pull on those middle cords to secure everything into place. Now we're going to take those original middle cords, this time send them behind the new cords in the middle, crossing the left over the right to form your loop. Then we're going to take the middle right cord behind, around, and through the right loop. And then take that middle left cord behind, around to go through the left loop. Pull those outer cords to secure everything while also adjusting the cords in the middle. We're going to go back to those red cords. This time they're the ones that are going to go behind the project, crossing the left over the right. And then we're just repeating the same steps over and over again. And there we go. This is what it will look like once you have tied a few of those knots. Okay, so this is the reversed endless falls knot with multiple colors. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.